expression students. Today we're going to focus on two chords. Those chords are going to be the C chord and the E minor chord. Again, the C chord and the E minor chord. Good job, good job. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump into it. We have our first finger placed on the first fret of the second string. We have our second finger placed on the second fret of the fourth string. And our third finger placed on the third fret of our fifth string, okay? So first finger on the first fret of the second string. Second finger on the second fret of the fourth string. And third finger on the third fret of the fifth string. Good job, good job. Alright, so if you're looking at your chord diagrams, you know not to strum the sixth string. So, strum from fifth to first. Good job. Good job. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's go ahead and count it off. We're going to do quarter notes first, okay? So we have 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Good job. Alright, so go ahead and strum that chord for 4 quarter notes. And then we'll jump back in, okay? So I count you off. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. 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 Good job. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. 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 Good job, good job. Alright, let's go ahead and try half notes. Ta, 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 ta. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job, good job. So let's do 4 quarter notes and 2 half notes, okay? We're going to throw our rest in there as well. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job, good job, good job, good job. All right, so let's do our whole notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job, good job. All right, let's do 1 measure of quarter notes, 1 measure of half notes, and 2 measures of whole notes, okay? With our C chord. Remember, don't strum that 6th string. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time, one more time. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job, good job. So 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job, good job, good job. All right, so we have our C chord down pat. Let's jump into our E minor. So we have second finger on the second fret of your 5th string and your 3rd finger on the 2nd fret of your 4th string, okay? Good job, good job, good job, good job. You see it? All right, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool thing about the E minor chord is that you can strum all 6 strings. So 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job, good job, good job, good job. All right, so now we're gonna play half notes because E minor is really an easy chord, so I know it takes us no time to get this one down packed, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job, good job. Now let's go ahead and jump into the whole notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. So let's play a measure of quarter notes, rest, half notes, rest, whole note, rest, whole note, rest, okay? So we have 1, 2, ready, play. E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. 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 Good job. Now let's transition from the C chord to E. Again. Again. So C, 1, 2, 3, 4, E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, E. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to E. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Good job. Expressions Experience students, today you learned the C chord and the E minor chord. Good luck. Go ahead and practice 30 minutes a day. Do not forget. But practice transitioning from the C to the E. Very easy, very cool. Throw in some quarter notes, half notes, and some whole notes, and just strum down. Strum downward. Down strokes, okay? Good job. Always tune into Musical Expressions Experience tutorials, okay? Good luck, guitar students. See you next time.